by profession. He is MD Medicine, and rest of the introduction I want him to give on the stage. He will tell more about him, and he will share his journey quickly, and will tell you how the transformation has happened and what, I mean, like, you learn also the commitment level of that person, and also how you need to utilize that level of commitment and perseverance, at the same time never giving up attitude from that. Right? Are you all ready for that? Ready to learn? Let me invite, with thundering round of applause, Dr. Nirmal on the stage, please. Yes.
Thank you, all of you, my dear friends. You came from different state of the nation, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. I am happy, and I was happy to join this abundance and this today event, personality transform retreat event. Thank you especially Alok Kesari sir and his family, Sneha ma'am, and brilliant kid Samrid. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. जोरदार तालियों के साथ आलोक केसरी सर का स्वागत करें. What would you listen about me? What would you listen from about story, emotional story, and anything? Just people say, just I met in this hall, one guy say, Dr. Saab, when will you speak? Say something about your story. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna speak a story of a boy. We heard a story, a boy. We all heard. Once there was a boy, so and so, he lived in a village. So, but today, I am telling the story of this guy. This guy is not anyone. This story is not of anyone. This story of Dr. Nirmal Singh. This story of mine. I am a professional doctor, MD Medicine, postgraduate diabetologist in Boston University, USA, as well as pulmonologist, Medversity, Hyderabad. The story is that I born in small village, as usual in poor small family. My father was a job seeker and he worked hard whole life. He worked in he worked 35 years in his life, and when he got retired, I was also completed my 10th from the in the medium school, government school. When I got the result, I got only 3rd division. I got only Gandhi division. It is less than marks, not good grade, below 33%. But I passed 10th. I was not happy, but people was happy. 20 years ago, 25 years ago, people were happy. You qualified matriculation, but I was not happy. I decided improvement all subject, and I repeated again in the same class 1 year. And that people started comments. People made fun at me. Why are you doing again and again 10th class? I said, I have a mission. I have a vision. I want to be a doctor in my life. I want to be a rich person in my life. So people, so many times they were kidding and they were made fun at me. Okay, when time come, result came, I got first division in the 10th class. And I went in college, I took science subject. Second time also people started criticism at me. You are villager boy. What do you do? What will you do? You are not able to learn English subject or science subject also. Okay, I said, this is my problem. This is not your problem. This is my problem. This is not your problem. Okay, I got admission in +1 with medical science and I passed with first division 10+2. And I gave many exam, 2 or 3 exam for PMT test, all India, and maybe 1 or 2 things more I have given, but I could not crack because some barrier of the language. I learnt Hindi language. I was I was not confident like that as I today. So guys, I was silent sometime. I sat at home and I thought again and again. At the end of, I quit my decision and I was burying my thought and mission. But anyhow, I took admission in graduation BSc first year medical. But I passed first year, and one day I was thinking, Nirmal, what will you do in future? What was your aim? What is your mission? You are distract from your mission. I thought again and again. One day, I thought again and again, and I decided quit the graduation study. And when I was thinking, my dad, my family member said, why are you worried? Why are you thinking? What are you thinking? I said, Dad, I could not crack the exam, PMT. I want to be a doctor. Father said, what do you do? What do you want? Say directly. And I said, Dad, I want to go abroad. I want to go abroad for the MBBS and MD study. My father think 1 or 2 times, and because they had enough money to take care of our family member, 2 or 3 family member. I am the second person in my family. We are 6 siblings. We are 2 brother and 4 sister. I am the second last guy. So my father said, Nirmal, this is your money. I work hard 35 years and all money, mutual fund, provident fund, and all assets which I collected for you, for all your family member. This is only and only this money. And I took promise, my father. Father, don't worry, I am with you. I am with you. Once I be a doctor, I will tackle all this condition. So they agreed with me and they spent all money and they gave me money in single my voice. So I went here and there and I searched so many kind of agencies. Those were helping the student for guidance to admission in abroad also. So once one of them I go to visa, some agencies, one agencies go to send visa and I go to visa, and one day I flew from Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi to Russia. That time also people criticized me. What they said? They said he is spoiling money. And now the people all knows about graduation from abroad. But that time 25 years ago, or in the small area, in the rural area, nobody known about the study. So they were always criticized and they made fun at me. He is spoiling money and he is spoiling his father money. His career, what should be, it will be after that. So the guys, I went from here and that time 1 year language course and 6 year medical course. 1 year language course, Russian language. I know very well language course in Russian language. I am very fluent in Russian language. And 6 year code, medical course that time. I completed language course, 3 year medical course, my graduation. And after the 3 year course, I had no money. I had no money. Those money my parents had given me already finished in my course, in my tuition fees or medical colleges fees. So I was in big dilemma. What should I do? And what will I do? My study is still 3 years more. During this period, they have that time summer vacation. All the student came India during the summer vacation, but I have never come in India. These days, for 3 years, I have never come in between India. One day this morning, and I had no money, I had no food, no milk, nothing was me. Only some few people lived there. And in the meantime, one day morning, I received a call from my mom, India. My mom said, "Beta, hello, how are you?" Said, "Mama, okay, I am fine." And first of all, they put me a question, "बेटा कुछ खाया?" दुनिया की माएँ ही सबसे पहले ये पूछती है, किसी का बेटा कितना भी अमीर क्यों ना हो, कितने भी पैसे वाला हो, सारी दुनिया ये पूछेगी मेरे लिए क्या लेके आएगा भाई, क्या लेके आएगा मेरे लिए, फौरन जा रहा है मेरे लिए, झुमके लेके आएगा मेरे लिए, मोबाइल लेके आएगा मेरे लिए, क्या लेके आएगा, साड़ी लेके आएगा या कपड़े लेके आएगा। बट दुनिया की एक माँ ही एक ऐसी औरत होती है जो अपने बेटों को, अपने बच्चों को वही पूछती है, बेटा कुछ खाया या नहीं खाया। आई एम रॉन्ग? इट इज वेरी हार्टी टच थिंग. Only and only mother think always their children are hungry or their children haven't food. I salute all of mother of the nation, all of mother of the world. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से माओ के नाम पे। Okay, then talk was continued and he said, "Beta kuch kha liya? Have you eaten food something?" I said, "Are you hungry?" मैंने कहा, "No mom, मैं भूखा नहीं हूं, मैं रोज खाता हूं, खा लिया मैंने खाना." But I said, "Yes mom, yes mom, I'm hungry." My mama started cried. "What you are saying, my bete?" Sometime I stopped. "Don't worry mama, do not cut the call, listen me carefully." "Okay beta, go ahead and continue." "Yeah mama, I am hungry, I am hungry, I am hungry for my future, I am hungry for my success, I am hungry for getting degree." My mama started cried and ended the call. And after that I made again call and she blessed me. She blessed me a lot. After that money had not upon me. There is nothing to me, only clothes and water. I spent 3 days without eat anything in the Russia country. You can't imagine. 3 days only and only I have, only and only I had 3 pieces of tomato, 3 piece of tomato, I had it 1 tomato every day for 3 days. This is a very crucial and very tough time for me. I was struggling and I didn't know what should we do and what should I do and what will happen in my head life. Friends, I am got emotional because I have seen this time very nearly, very closely. 3 tomato, I ate 1 tomato per day, and what I did, you can't imagine. Because hungry, how can live without food or anything? I had enough apple, milk or nothing in my fridge. But that day, you know what I did? I did this belt. I knotted the belt around my abdomen tightly. And this belt gave me scar. This belt gave me marks and this belt gave me wound. I tied it through our 3 days, 2 or 3 hours. I felt pain. Why did I forget all hungry within the abdomen? I converted my mind. I converted my mind that I could forget all hungry. So this is my story, sir. And those people criticized regularly. I am saying, I would like to say something about these people. जो people हमेशा नेगेटिव होते हैं. I live only with positive environment, positive vibes by childhood and by birth, you can say. But that time people criticized. Parents gave me all money. I call parents, dad, mom, I had no money more, please send me money, please transfer money. I knew very well they had no money, but I received call from my father and brother, don't worry, we are sending money. You know, they sold each and everything. They sold my houses, our houses. Even they sold plot. Even they sold their utensils. You can't imagine. My sister-in-law, they sold their rings. Even they sold their VCR video, television also for my completing the study. That should I could gain degree. So this is the very crucial time, sir. Anyway, I completed my study. Final, I got a degree. I was happy. My family member was happy. And one day I came back India. And government of India, sorry, I have forgot one thing more about the negative people. Negative people को कभी भी भरोसा मत करो. They always criticized. They always will criticize. What should you do? What will you do? चाहे उनके घर में कुछ ना हो, लेकिन दूसरों के घर में जरूर आपको ताकने झांकने की आदत होती है कि ये ठीक है, ये राइट है, ये करना है, नहीं करना है. सबने मजाक किया, but I was not distracted from my path. And my family member also, they didn't also distracted their path. Because the target was, mission, ambition was, aim, motto was that in front of me. So I would share one quote about those negative, about those bad people. Do not invest yourself with wrong people. Listen me very carefully, friends. Do not invest yourself with wrong people. If you invest yourself with wrong people, they will break you into pieces. They will break into pieces. They torn you apart in such a way it takes years and years to get back together. Yes, I wanted to say that. Don't believe negative people. That's why I am here. And I met Alok Kesri when I heard his video on the social media, on the Facebook platform. So anyhow, I completed my graduation MD physician from abroad, Ukraine. The problem was still there. I had a big challenge because that time government of India decided that those candidates, those students who are coming from abroad countries, any countries, USA, England, Canada, any country, they will qualified entrance examine, they will cleared, they will crack entrance PMT exam. After they will eligible for the degree. Before us, it was never. Doctors usually come India and they submit their paper and degree in the Medical Council of India and they got registration and they started their practice and government job. It was a big challenge for me. It was big challenge for me. And people, you know, government made this rule and we student writ, क्या बोलते हैं हमारे बीच में एक एडवोकेट सर बैठे हैं मिस्टर अजय पमार जी, क्या बोलते हैं, कोर्ट में रिच याचिका दायर कर दी है स्टूडेंट लोगों ने. एंड आवर एडवोकेट वाज मिस्टर कपिल सिब्बल. ही वाज very famous advocate in the India and we all are known about him. But 1.5 he took time for the student and at the end of he lost the battle. What was the scenario and how was the time? It was the very crucial time and I sat home 1.5 year. People did not stop criticize upon me. Regularly they criticized. Oh, हम तो पता ही था, हमें तो पता ही था ये तो ऐसे करके आएगा, घूम फिर के आ जाएगा, डिग्री ना है, कुछ नहीं है इसके पास, ये क्या करेगा यहाँ पे. हम तो पहले ही कह रहे थे इसको 1.5 साल हो गए यहाँ घर बैठे and what he is doing? Nothing. But I was not distracted. My family was not distracted. They gave me full support. Morally, physically, mentally and financially. बेटा घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, आप अब एग्जाम दीजिए. So, government decided to take entrance test 2000 September 5. I went Delhi. I learnt again and again all my subject, all medical books, all subject, and you know, 6 months I completed all course. And you know, I cracked this my exam in first division in the first attempt. I was happy. My family member were also happy with me. Progress in my career. I went Chandigarh and I did government job in government multi-speciality hospital sector 16 Chandigarh. 2 years I did job and I quit job between because I didn't want any pressure of the boss, his boss and his boss. I quit the job and I come in my city, Yamunanagar. So I started my journey practice here. On rented basis, I took building 3 or 2 rooms, rented basis. I started work there. And when I opened my hospital, you know what I had? I had only 1300 rupees cost only ECG machine. Yeah, Dr. Hamir. Dr. Hamir is listening here. Yeah, 300 BPL machine. And I had only single stethoscope. It cost was 150 rupees. It is a local branded, 150 rupees. I set my chamber and I worked hard 3 years in this building. And between I purchased new plot. And during this, after 1 year of my practice, I met Dr. Anu Beniwal. She is sitting here, Dr. Anu Beniwal. I got married with her, and I got 2 brilliant kids, Tanish and Amish. They are also attending today's session. So I pay gratitude to Dr. Anu Beniwal. She gave me 2 my copy, Dr. Nirmala. Thank you. So now I have my own hospital, 20-bedded hospital, all infrastructure, model facilities, centrally oxygen, except cancer department. I have each and everything. I have own status. I have car, different car. My wife has different car and plots and lands. You know, just I'm playing in. आलोक केसरी सर कह रहे थे कि लाख में ना बोलना. I am playing in CRs, billions. So this is my small story, and I would like share further what I was. I am professionally doctor. I am good at me. I know very well how I treat the patient. That's all. But I was lacking in different things. Those were breaking, and those were stopping me to achieve anything more, and those were stopping me to better for my life or social life. So one day I was sitting in my OPD chamber, and just I wondering any motivation speaker or English speaker or tutor mentor. I was watching mobile phone, and I saw Alok Kesri sir. I heard him. I watched his video again and again, because I understood, and I joined this community. After one week, I received a call from Alok Kesri's team, and I talked Alok Kesri sir. I joined PGC group, and Alok Kesri sir said me, Dr. Nimral, you are a doctor, you are professional, you are good at your professional, but what is your potential, hidden potential? You need to come out of it. I agreed in single time. I agreed, and I joined PGC, and after that कोर्सेज जैसे झड़ी लग गई हो कोर्सेज की. I joined lot of courses and after that I joined Abundance Club. There is no doubt I had joined this course couple of year back in 20, but there was some issue of COVID-19. I couldn't attend and couldn't complete all session, but as COVID went, I restarted again, and there is no doubt I am one-on-one with Alok Kesari sir. And I learn from many things from these courses: health, wealth, career growth. Today I am also when I making video, I am saying about this health, wealth, career growth, relationship, spirituality. I worked hard in all departments. And now I'm in front of you. How people, you can imagine Dr. Nirmal today speaking, this is at present and how he was earlier 2 years ago. Please reply me. Lot of changes. Yeah, I was not that kind of. Today I am. So I learned from this course and this all PGC courses ability, speaking challenges. This was my barrier in my progress. Now I can speak some, but I am learning anyhow. Grammar part and all things where and there mixing up, but chalega, don't worry. I can speak in Hindi also very well. I can speak in Punjabi also. I can speak in Russian also. I am known 5 languages at present. So thank you sir from the bottom of my heart, and I would like one thing more. Caught your finger. I have caught your wrist. I will not. Please sir.
Oh, okay.
For a big clap for sir. I will never leave this finger, I will never leave this wrist until my end of the breath. Because he gave me life. Friends, couple of years, I do not want to explore there. There was some family issue between us. And one day I was fed up of my life. I called during this period 6 or 7 months ago. I am one-on-one Alok Kesari sir. In the Zoom meeting session, I said, sir, I want to commit suicide. Sir, catch my hand. Dr. Nirmal, do not like this. I am with you. I am with you for your whole life. And I am today alive here and speaking very fluently with the grace of God and grace of Alok Kesari sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay, so he's a very down to earth person. Please give a big round of applause for him, you know. Yes. How many of you are inspired from his story? No food, only water and 3 tomatoes, right? 3 tomato, right? And that too not in India, Russia, right? It is a very difficult situation, and you can understand the criticism. The biggest problem in this world is the criticism. Some people can take it up, some people cannot. That is the problem. But he took everything. He has that capacity, you know, to face the world. and do this. But now he's very happy. And one more thing, because of time, anyways, he took good amount of time, but at the same time, he has so many stories. I know it will take 2 hours to explain everything, but very soon he is now going to
fighting a MLA.
fight for MLA election from Haryana, and now almost everything is going in his favor. Okay, people are like, today you saw what he said, that 2 years before he was not at all confident. Today you are able to see he said that. Can you give a big round of applause? Right? And now, earlier he used to get the opportunity from MR, medical representative, please come to the company and speak. He said, he always used to say, I am very busy, I cannot come. बाद में इन्होंने मुझे बताया, I was not busy sir. वो confidence नहीं था कि जाके बोली. Now he doesn't miss any meeting, right? And now he spoke in English, so he's you know talking to you and all. But अगर ये हिंदी पे उतर जाए ना, तो फिर 5,000 जनता को ये एड्रेस करते हैं, right? I hope many of you have seen his video, right? People, 5,000 people sitting in one place, and then he's addressing those people and all. He is very renowned person in that area, you know, and people love him. He keeps doing charity, this and that, so many. He does everything from his heart. He is a very down to earth person, very emotional person. He wants to do good thing in the society, and I wish all the very best, Dr. Nirmal, that I want you to be, you know, you are anyways millionaire, no worries about that. You need to be multi-millionaire, but at the same time what I want from you is that you need to inspire the rest of the world, right? That is what, I mean, like you are the tool, being an MLA and then, you know, MP, and then further, definitely it will happen. I believe in you, I believe in you. Please family, please come on the stage, okay? He wants, yes, he should be coming.
In the assembly of Haryana, Chandigarh, sir. If I would say, sir, if I be a MLA from my constituency, definitely I will be Health Minister of Haryana.
Oh wow! Yeah. Awesome.
And एक बात और मैं बीच में कहना भूल गया, जो लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते थे, इधर उधर की बातें करते थे, you know what they say at present, Dr. Nirmal is my brother. Dr. Nirmal is my cousin, he is my neighbor, he is a very good hard worker, he is a very awesome, and ये फलाना ढिमकाना, और they invite me always as a chief guest. They invite so many they invited me as a chief guest, you know. So it is a very big transformation.
Awesome.
जो कुछ जीवन में कोई कुछ बचा था, वाज आलोक सर की छत्र छाया में पूरा होने जा रहा है. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart.
अरे वो उनको ही बोलना है कुछ.
Hello everyone. I want to say about Dr. Nirmal. He is a very good son. He is a very good father, and he is very good husband. And lastly, he is a very good person or personality. Very good natured person.
Yeah.
Husband हो तो ऐसा हो. Thank you.
Great, wonderful, and both of them are their kids. All the very best for your future. All the very best, Dr. Nirmal and Dr. Anu. Keep up the good work.